Hello, Anurag.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing today?
Nice.
Nice. How was your day?
It was quite fantastic
Hi.
because today I called one of my friend from after a long time. So I have great talk with him. That's why I'm feeling happy. So it was my fantastic day.
Great. It was a good day. Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
like our yesterday's activity, was it fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you want to do something like that today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So, I have a different sort of conversation topic for you today. Today, we are going to do a conversation between a bank manager and a customer who has come to open a new bank account in your bank. So, you will be the bank manager
Okay.
and I will be the customer.
Thank. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. I'll start. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. I've come to open a new bank account. Can you help me?
Yes, sure. Please sit down.
Thank you so much. So can you tell me what kind of accounts does the bank offer?
Okay, there are mainly four types of account. First one is like saving account, second one is current account, and the third one is fixed account, and the fourth one is recurring deposit account. So before that, I would like to ask you, what do you do? Are you a student or a working person?
I am a working person.
Okay, so I would suggest that saving account would be the better option for you. Now you tell me what type of account do you want to open?
Can you tell me the difference between these accounts and why savings account is a good option for me?
Okay, so like saving account is the account where you can deposit any money anytime, means any amount of money anytime. But there are some limitation. I think if you are now a working person, that is enough for you. But if you want to go with the current account, then current account, there you can deposit uh, unlimited of amount of money, and you can withdraw unlimited amount of money anytime, but there will be no interest for your money. But in saving account you will get a certain amount of interest per year. So
Or
this is a basic difference in
between savings and current account.
and current account.
Okay. So
And
what will be the amount that I'll get at the end of the year if I choose a savings account?
the percentage of interest would be 4 to 6%, because this is my bank current uh, interest rate between 4 to 6%. So you will get according to that.
Okay. So I want to apply for the credit card and that's why I'm looking to open a bank account. So which one do you
Okay.
think would be better for me to choose a credit card? Should I go with a savings account or a current account in that case?
If you can maintain, means you have good profession and you are earning a lot, then you can go for the current account. But otherwise you can go for the saving account. For getting credit card, there is no issue with current or the saving accounts.
So what should be my salary if I choose to open a bank account in current account? Is there a specific?
So there, no, in current account, just you have to withdraw and deposit a certain amount of money, at least minimum 1 lakh per day. It should be the limit.
Okay, so 1 lakh per day is the limit. And what about
Yes.
savings account? How much can I deposit or withdraw in a day from a savings account?
See, for saving account, first you will have to pay minimum 500 of basic amount,
Okay.
and after that, yes, you can pay. You can deposit how much you want, and you can withdraw how much you want. But there should be at least 100 rupees balance in always in your account, so to maintain your bank account.
So you can deposit any amount that you want in your account, and you can withdraw any amount from your account whenever you want. But the minimum
Yes, ma'am.
balance that should be there in your account so that it stays working and active should be at least 100 rupees. Is it
Okay.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so I have a salary of 20,000 rupees per month. I don't think I can afford a current savings account, current account. So,
Hmm.
is it fine if I open a savings account? Will I be able to get a credit card with that much of amount?
Yes, sure. No problem.
Okay. So, can you tell me what kind of documents would I require to open the account?
Okay, sure. But very first, you tell me that do you have any bank account in my bank or any other bank already?
No, I don't. This will be my first bank account.
Okay, so you have to do. I'm giving you a form. Just you have to fill it up with the information required there, and also attach a Xerox copy of your ID proofs like Aadhaar, PAN card, or electricity bill, any one of them, and just submit to the service desk.
So, I need to show a proof of my electricity bill to verify my address. But the electricity
Yes.
does not come under my name. It's on my father's name. So what should I do?
Okay, no problem. You can use Aadhaar or PAN card because your father name should be mentioned there so that you can use in that case. No issue.
So will these documents be sufficient?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me which counter do I need to go to?
Service counter, counter number 2.
Do you need any photographic proof, my photographs or anything like that?
Yes, we need 2 passport size photographs, and you need to fill it up or form and sign signature also there. Means rest of the information you can verify at the service counter.
Okay.
Thank you.
So either use signature or use sign. So you need to fill up the form
Okay.
and sign underneath it. That's it.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And suppose I give all my documents today. So when will I be able to get the checkbook and other documents?
Yeah. If you submit today, then we need 1 day to verify all those information. After that, means day after tomorrow, you can come to the bank and you can collect your passbook and checkbook and debit or come credit card.
So will you be providing me a credit card as well as a debit card?
No, we will provide you first debit card. If you need credit card, you will have to submit another application form for that.
So how can I apply for the credit card after getting an account in your bank?
There is another form you need to fill it up and you have to submit that. Then after our team means bank officers will verify all those information deeply. Then after you will be able to get a credit card if those are found correct.
And after I've created the account, for how much time would I have to wait to apply for a credit card?
Sorry.
Suppose I fill out all my documents by today and you give me my debit card
Hmm.
by tomorrow and all the other checkbooks and other
Okay.
documents by tomorrow. Then after how much time
Okay.
can I apply for the credit card? Can I apply immediately or will I have to wait?
Yes. No, you need at least 1 week of time, and with that 1 week, you will have to do 1 or 2 transactions with our bank. After that, you are eligible for applying credit card.
Is there a certain amount of money that I'll have to withdraw or put into the bank so that I can apply for a credit card?
5,000 of amount should be available in your bank account.
You need to withdraw or deposit at least 5,000 rupees in your account.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. I will get back to you after I've submitted all my documents. And if my transaction clears, then I'll see you tomorrow when I come to take my debit card along with my checkbook. Thank you so much for helping.
Okay. Okay, my pleasure.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
okay, great. So have you been to a bank before?
No, ma'am. Oh, sorry. I have been.
Right, you would have been. Do you have your own bank
Yes, ma'am.
account?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
So did you go to apply for your bank account or you took the help of your parents or someone in your family while applying for the account?
No, no, ma'am. I did myself.
That's why you knew a lot about it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And since you're
It
already
means
a cashier
oftenly I used
in
to
the
go
finance,
to the bank
must
account.
be knowing about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Thank you so much, Anurag. It was a fun session and it was a short session because when you go to the bank,
Yes, ma'am.
sometimes customers ask a lot of questions and sometimes they understand in one go. So I was the kind of customer who asked few questions, but then I understood because the manager explained them correctly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll see you tomorrow for a
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
welcome.